Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete a Facebook page. Any page you've created on Facebook, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete a page permanently. So the first thing we need to do is to click on this three line icon you can see right now on the screen, and let's scroll down to pages. Now you can see, as you can see right now, this is a page we have here in this very particular account. If we're going to click on it, you'll be given different options in your page. Now scroll till you see this more icon right now. Now click on the more icon. Now scroll down and you see settings before the last option you're given. Now click on settings. Click on general settings. As you can see right now on the screen, we are given different options, but the one we are after, we are here to delete our Facebook page permanently. We have two options right here on the screen. We have the option to remove page, and the other one is to delete page permanently. Now click on the delete page permanently, and that's how to delete a Facebook page from your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, give this video a like and let me know in the comment section if you have any other problem, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Have a nice day.